along. What? Hello friends, welcome to another video. I'm Diana if you're new here. If you're not, welcome back. So today I am going to be giving you guys a little physique update. I'm going to be updating you on my competition prep in general, and I'm going to give you some tips on what I've been doing. So today is Sunday. It's the start of my split, like week split. So I do legs, upper body, rest day, legs, upper body, glutes, and then rest day again, and then start all over. My cut is about to start. I'm actually getting it probably tonight, my new schedule, but as of right now, my like pre-cut, I guess, I'm working out 5 times a week with 20 minutes of cardio every time I work out. And then I'm eating 5 meals a day when I work out and just 4 when I don't. I'm seeing like amazing changes in my body, which is super exciting. So something I've been using a lot is this beautiful waist trainer by Luxx Curves. I will have them linked down below, but they're honestly amazing. So I'm very petite. My natural, or like my average waist size without flexing or anything, is about 25 inches. So they sent me the double extra small. She's tight. Getting her on is pretty snug, but honestly I feel such a difference, and what I've found makes the biggest difference is just like when I'm relaxed, I tend to let my stomach kind of just fall, which when you're in prep, like you want to prepare to be flexing for 10 to 15 minutes at a time. So this is an amazing reminder to kind of keep it all in, and this paired with stomach vacuums has been amazing in just seeing my waist just come tighter. Alright, so here's the belt on. I'm going to measure, as you can tell, it sucks it all in pretty good. From this side, I guess it's not crazy different from my natural. It definitely does pull it in still, but you can really tell here it looks like a tiny hourglass. So I figured I'd measure it just to see and give you guys a comparison. So it's 24.5 inches, and I'm on the largest link, I guess. So this is me. I've been wearing it pretty casually right now, so this is probably about an inch smaller than my usual like relaxed. So I'm like just over 25 inches, probably like 25.5. So it brings it in about an inch, which is still comfortable. Like I can still do stuff. I've seen a lot of competitors start using these just because it does train your waist, right? It's not overnight gonna make a massive difference, but first of all, if you want to wear it as shapewear, it's amazing for that because it is an instant tuck in. But also, if you are a competitor who needs to work on keeping their tummy in, or working on build that endurance, I guess, for posing and everything, this is an amazing tool. And if you guys want to save a little bit of money on this, the coupon code is XODianaS. So I'll put that here, XODianaS, and I'll also have it in the description box along with their link. So on top of my prep meals and workouts, I've been taking a lot of vitamins. So I got these cute little packs that separate my breakfast, lunch, dinner, and bedtime vitamins. Basically a lot of them help with digestion and just getting in micronutrients that I might not be getting in, since I'm eating very basic foods with very few variations. I pretty much eat the same thing every single day. So this just kind of makes sure that I'm getting everything I need and just keeping my digestion on the right track. Along with that, I have this half-gallon thingy that I try to have at least 1.5 of every day. So my goal is about 3 liters of water, give or take. In terms of supplements, I am taking a protein shake with, like, my breakfast is a protein smoothie. I take creatine with it. Then before working out, I take pre-workout glutamine and BCAAs, and that's it. So that just kind of gives me a little extra something. So this can also be used while you're working out. It's definitely flexible enough for it. Personally, I just kind of wear it when I'm hanging out at home. But it's up to you, personal preference. If you don't have a lifting belt, this is definitely something you could use for extra support. I have 2 leg days of the week. Both of them are different, and then I have a glute specific day. As I'm competing in bikini, our main focus is still glute and hamstrings. I'm really not doing much for my quads at all. I already have fairly developed quads, so no front squat, no back squats, not too much like that. Today I'm doing walking lunges, a little tricep of kickbacks, fire hydrants, and glute bridges, and then single leg extensions, front squats, and then I'm just jumping rope on top of 20 minutes of cardio. So we're gonna take you guys through it. I am in my basement. It's not super tidy or cute, so don't judge me, but I'll also show you guys what we've been making work for us. So the most professional part of our setup is our squat rack, and we do actually have a lot of weight. It's just kind of scattered around right now, but we have 3 full plates of 45s, like 3 sets of them. We have a set of 25s, 10s, 5s, and 2.5s, and so far that has been working very well for us. We just recently got a bench, actually. We didn't have a bench for ages. And then we have this air bike. Again, please don't mind the mess. But we have this air bike, which is amazing for cardio. Because it's resistance based, you can make it as difficult as you need it to be. And then for a lot of accessory work, I've been using either a band tied to there or a band tied to up there. I take an extra strong band, like one of the strongest leg bands I have, and then I really just do body weight lunges across my basement. It doesn't seem like a lot, but it really does bring quite a big burn once you do it all the way through. So I go up to 100 lunges. I try to do it non-stop. I usually have to take 1 or 2 breaks depending on the day. But here we go. I think that was 100. Does anyone else's brain get a little bit scrambled when you're doing reps and you're like, how many? My camera's dying, so I cut the video short. Hello. So I am post-workout, post-run, post-food, and I just wanted to practice some posing. So I figured I'd show you guys what I'm working on. It's still There's a long way to go. But I figured I'd show you guys what I'm working with. I'm also wearing pajama shorts, so sorry. So my front pose. And then transition. Oh, okay, let's try that again. So that is, I guess, the first half of my routine as of this point. Oh, my hair's crazy. But it's coming along. What? That's exciting. It's coming along, and I'm feeling pretty good about it. My posing coach says I'm picking up really quickly, which is exciting. It's only been, I think, 3 sessions with her, so I'm feeling good about it. It's honestly just getting it practiced and done, and remembering to keep everything tight and flexed, and just, you know, so. Okay, so I am post meal number 4, and I'm pretty much going to end the video here. Let me know if you have any more prep questions. If you want to follow my fitness Instagram, it's sandi.fit, SANDI.fit, and I've been posting a lot about my prep and everything on there, so you can follow me daily and see my stories, my workouts, everything. And I'll see you guys soon. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos of me. If like this, please, to help me out, hit the notification bell to see when I post next. And all of Luxx Curves information are going to be in the description box below, so please check them out and use my coupon code for a little bit of extra money savings. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.